Luminarian students, we are going to start with the chapter number 11. Light. Very good. Light, shadow, and reflection. Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn about the two types of things, that is light producing thing and not producing. Light is not producing thing. That type of things we are going to learn, and next we are going to learn about the objects according to the light. If they allow the light, what we will call; if they don't allow the light, what we will call; and if they completely stop the light, what we are calling. This type of things we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, first we are going to learn about the objects. Objects, there are of two types. One is luminous. Luminous means the object that produces light. They are calling it as luminousness. The object that produces light, they are called as luminous object. For example, sun. Sun is a luminous object because sun is giving light. Sun is giving light. So we are calling it as luminous object. This luminous object is also divided into two types. One is natural luminous object. Another one is artificial or man-made luminous object. For natural luminous object, what example I had given? Sun. One more example? No. Stars. Very good. That they have to produce their own light. Then we are calling it as luminous object. The object that produces their own light, then we are calling it as luminous object. Understood? And next is that artificial luminous object. For example, man-made things, they are producing the light. Man-made things, they are producing the light. For example, tube light, candle, torch, very good, torch, laser lights. These are all called as artificial luminous object. So what is luminous object? Kartavya? Yes, Akshay.
The fire is natural or artificial?
Fire, it is not at all coming luminous. Fire is a natural resource or natural source only. When two rocks are rubbed, it is coming. Right? So it is a natural thing. We cannot make the fire. Understood? Say what is luminous object? Who will say? Yes, beta. What is क्या है? अभी explanation दीजिए.
The thing that gives us light.
See, everyone has become tube light. हाँ? जलने के लिए थोड़ा time लग रहा है. Okay, the thing that produces the own light or called as that gives us light are called as luminous object. They are producing their own light. Now tube light is working because of electricity. Tube light is not reflecting the light of sunlight. Yes or no? They are giving their own light with the help of electricity. Understood? That type of object we are calling it as luminous object. Example, luminous object we are dividing into two types. One is natural luminous, another one is artificial luminous. Natural luminous, it is right from the nature. We are getting the light from the nature. For example, sun and star. Star also having their own light. But in artificial luminous object, what we are getting? We are getting it as torch, bulb, tube light, candle. Yes, candle. This all will come in this artificial luminous object. Now, the things that does not produce light, that type of things we are calling it as non-luminous object. We are calling it as non-luminous. The things that does not produce light are called as non-luminous object. Okay. Things that does not produce light are called as non-luminous object. For non-luminous object, you can give lots of examples. For example, chair, table, book, human being. Because we are not giving light. We are not, whether we are giving light. In dark, if we stand, there is a light is coming from our body. No, we are not producing any light. So we are calling it as non-luminous object. Now coming to the next question. Whether moon is luminous object or non-luminous object, who will say? Very good. Why moon is non-luminous?
Because it
Awadh say. Remove the mask and say. No. English. Akshit, you say. Afterwards you say.
Because moon doesn't have its own light.
Very good. Moon does not have its own light. They are reflecting the light of sun. So we are calling it as moon as a non-luminous object. This comes in scientific reason. Moon is giving us light in night time. Then also we are calling the moon as a non-luminous object. Why? Because they are reflecting the light of sun. For example, if a mirror is there, you are keeping on the sun, opposite to the sun. The mirror reflects the light. Is that mirror luminous object? No, they are not giving light by their own. But in case of torch is reflecting the sunlight? No, they are giving their own light. Yes or no? Tube light, they are reflecting the sunlight or candle light? No. Just compare the things and then you will come to know. Understood? That means non-luminous object means that object that does not reflect the light. That does not reflect the light, then we are calling it as non-luminous object. Example, moon, things like dust, bench, chair, this all comes in non-luminous object. Understood, students?